Hi, good evening. Today we are going to discuss the week 5 presentation, role play team leader, smart goal analysis. So let's jump into it. Goal setting, the first most important thing. I work as an electrical engineer for the city, and my primary job is to design primary service drawings. In order to design these drawings, I need to collaborate with service planners, inspectors, and also other engineers and also the customer itself to make sure that I have all the information required, and I'm also using all the standard practices and procedures that have been used for decades. So the target um, for me for this team would be to improve overall turnaround time for these primary electrical service plan design to 2 weeks. Bringing it down to 2 weeks. Currently, it's 4 to 6 weeks, and improving the first submission accuracy of design to 95%. The mission is to provide high quality, safe, and reliable electrical design to seamlessly integrate with the city's construction projects. The focus is on efficiency and quality. Vision is to achieve the goal by the end of 2026, making the department gold standard for zero defect submissions, meeting the 2 week internal deadline. Team reflection on vision. So then I'll conduct a team reflection, and the major goal of it is to align everyone, all the team members with the vision. So I'll be seeking individual and collective opinion on the set goal, the goal that we set, the achievability of the timeline, and most importantly, relevance of the team goal and vision to make sure we can all together get behind it. It's also important for them to feel personally motivated towards this goal. So it's important to understand if they also see this as a vision. Drawing on their personal and professional experience, I'll be seeking in their individual opinion on what 3 to 5 things they think are major barriers to achieving our goal. This will help us proactively identify bottlenecks in change management and also help us find new ways to access the required resources. Sharing their own desired goals. So then I'll encourage them to share their own desired goals. Getting the team to share their own desired goals that would help us stay on track for achieving the set target. Seeking their opinion and identifying the processes that are outdated and must be reimagined to improve the quality of our work and turnaround time. This should be followed by a virtual whiteboard meeting where everyone is encouraged to bring in their ideas and reasoning on how to manage the change and how imp- how and more importantly what part of the design process needs to be changed. These ideas need to be synthesized together and presented to the senior management as a sorry as a united front, which I would be doing, compiling them together and presenting them to the senior management. Testing the goal, is it smart or not? Is it specific? Reaching the gold standard for electrical design submission? Yes, it is specific. Measurable? Yes, by keeping first submission errors within 5% and decreasing turnaround time to 2 weeks. Achievable? Yes. The current turnaround time is 4 to 6 weeks due to inefficient internal processes and lack of dedicated personnel. Hence, it is achievable within a year if given sufficient priority. Are relevant, it is very relevant because most of these customers are high value clients, and the projects themselves bring us revenue of $100,000 to around even $1 million per project. The better we are to able to manage these projects, the more inclined new customers would be to make more investments in the city. Timely? Yes, they are timely, especially since there has been recent senior management changes, which makes the new senior management more amenable to change in processes that improve efficiency and efficacy. Team reflection, accountability. So then we'll reflect again, the team together, getting together just before we set targets for everyone. Accountability, setting up benchmarks for accountability, especially how the team members will hold each other accountable through this change. Barriers, seeking individual opinion on what they foresee would be the biggest barriers for them achieving the set goals and providing them the resources to, go past those barriers. Metrics, metrics, setting up weekly and bi-weekly metrics for measuring the progress so as to realign efforts and reallocate resources, manpower and time if need be. Follow-up tasks, the most important step, follow-up tasks need to be assigned and treated as smaller milestones towards achieving the bigger goal. So in essence, we'll be forming a team of that will comprise of construction inspectors, service planners, um, senior one member of the senior management and me, and then we'll together bring about this change and start working towards achieving this goal of bringing down the turnaround time to 2 weeks, so as to make sure that the new big commercial clients don't get discouraged towards investing into the city. And that's it. These are the references. Thank you so much for your time.